When the crowd cheers, you feel a lift. But when the room is empty, who are you then? That silence is not your enemy. It's the mirror. It shows what applause hides. It reveals the truth most people spend their whole lives avoiding. You cannot build a life that matters until you can stand strong in solitude. 1. You are the keeper of your inner world. Truth 1. Your inner life is yours to govern. And the greatest tragedy is how easily we surrender it. To fear, to comparison, to the opinions of people who don't even know us. Stoicism teaches you to reclaim your mind, to protect your thoughts the way a king guards his throne room. You cannot control the world, but you can always control the world within you. And when you master that, no storm feels too strong, no person feels too powerful, no chaos feels too loud. 2. Pain is information, not punishment. Truth 2. Pain arrives with a message. It's not there to break you. It's there to wake you. Most people numb their suffering. They distract themselves, deny themselves, run from themselves. But pain carries clarity. It tells you what needs healing, what needs changing, what needs letting go. When you look pain in the eyes and say, "Teach me," the suffering loses its power, and you gain yours. 3. Meaning lives in depth, not distraction. Truth 3. The world is noisy, and noise kills meaning. You scroll, you compare, you consume, you escape, and at the end of the day, you wonder why you still feel empty. Solitude is the antidote. Depth begins when the distractions end. When you sit alone with your thoughts long enough to actually hear them, to understand what you want, to confront what you fear, to admit what you've been avoiding. Depth makes you dangerous, in the best way, focused, grounded, unshakable. 4. Small, relentless action reshapes your future. Truth 4. Greatness is not a leap. It's a rhythm. A steady beat of small decisions repeated every day. One page written. One workout completed. One habit kept. One truth faced. These tiny victories compound into something extraordinary. It's not about intensity. It's about consistency. It's about doing the thing you know you should do, especially when no one is watching. That is where real power is built. 5. Your limits are invitations. Truth 5. Limits don't confine you, they refine you. You will face situations you did not choose. You will encounter obstacles you cannot avoid. You will be tested by life's indifference. But every limit is a doorway. Every challenge is a chisel carving out who you're meant to be. The Stoic does not complain about difficulty. They work with it. They learn from it. They grow because of it. What you think is blocking your path is actually shaping your strength. 6. Death teaches you how to truly live. Truth 6. Remembering that life ends is the most powerful way to start living it fully. Not someday, not when you feel ready, not when things get easier, but right now. Memento mori is not darkness. It is clarity. It reveals what matters. It cuts away the shallow. It sharpens your decisions. When you remember your time is limited, you stop wasting it. You start living with urgency, purpose, and presence. You finally understand that every ordinary moment is a piece of your story, closing, steady, brave, unforgettable. Solitude is not loneliness. It is the forge where strength is born. Stand back up. Carry these truths into the world with quiet confidence. Let your life be built on depth, discipline, and direction, not noise, approval, or fear. Because a life that matters is a life you shape intentionally, courageously, and from within. Like and subscribe for more.